To set up Paddle subscription management, start by creating a Paddle account and navigating to the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to create a new product, which will be the foundation of your subscription management. First, click on the Products tab and then click on the New Product button. Fill in the details of your product, including the name, description, and pricing. You can choose from a variety of pricing models, such as one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, or tiered pricing. Once you have created your product, you can set up your subscription plans. This involves defining the frequency of payments, such as monthly or annually, and the duration of the subscription. You can also offer free trials or discounts to incentivize customers to sign up. Next, you need to configure your payment settings. This includes connecting your payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, and setting up your tax and invoice settings. Paddle handles VAT and sales tax compliance for you, making it easy to manage global subscriptions. After setting up your payment settings, you can customize your checkout flow. This includes adding your company logo, changing the color scheme, and translating the checkout into different languages. You can also add custom fields to collect additional information from your customers. To test your subscription management, create a test subscription and go through the checkout flow. This will help you identify any issues and ensure that your subscription management is working as expected. Finally, integrate Paddle with your application using their API or webhook notifications. This will allow you to track subscription events, such as new subscriptions or cancellations, and update your application accordingly. By following these steps, you can set up Paddle subscription management and start selling subscriptions to your customers. Paddle provides a comprehensive platform for managing subscriptions, including automated billing, invoicing, and tax compliance. With Paddle, you can focus on growing your business, while leaving the complexity of subscription management to them.